Dumpster rental service in Marietta, Georgia. Looking for reliable dumpster rental services in Marietta, Georgia? OnSite Environmental Services is your trusted local provider, offering efficient, cost-effective dumpster solutions for both residential and commercial needs. Whether you're cleaning out your home, tackling a renovation project, or managing waste for a business, we've got you covered. Our dumpsters come in various sizes, ensuring that you get the perfect fit for your project. From small 10-yard dumpsters to larger 20-yard options, we accommodate all types of debris, including construction waste, household junk, and yard waste. Our flexible rental periods and competitive pricing ensure you can manage your waste disposal without breaking the bank. Our team will deliver your dumpster on schedule, and we ensure quick pickup once your project is complete. No hassle, no hidden fees, just straightforward, reliable waste management. For dumpster rental in Marietta, Georgia, trust OnSite Environmental Services to provide a seamless experience. Call us today at 470-507-3569 to discuss your project, schedule a delivery, or get a free estimate. Let us help make your cleanup or construction project easier with our top-notch dumpster rental services.